Okay, so here, yeah, we have all my pictures on MySpace. Yeah. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one. Here, let's do this one. Even though it's Pete Wentz and he's beautiful, but oh well. Now, delete photo. What the crap?
It makes a dolphin baby noise.
Yeah, it's right here. I don't want him to
Do it again. Ready? Okay.
What? And then there's another one though. It's like a weird
Bubbles.
Yeah, and then
Bubbles.
and if you go to someone's profile, okay, crap, it's low on battery. Dang it. So if I go to Tim's, okay, it made a weird bubble noise. It made a weird bubble noise. Where's the home button?
Right there.
There we go. Okay. Yeah.
Ninja.
What?
Mood? Ninja.
Mine
I
is.
think mine's like ninja.
Oh, I'm not annoyed anymore. I'm.
Ninja or pirate? You really want a cookie?
Yes, I want a cookie.
Why?
Oh, we have cookies now. I'm Jedi. Jedi.
Meh.
Awesome.